Hey guys, my name is Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be talking about your day of checklist. You're going to see me looking down because I have my trusty notes. Okay, so when I say your day of checklist, I don't mean your inventory that you bring. That should have been done the night before because we want to stay on top of things, right? Okay, I'm talking about the actual venue. Make sure, for one, that you show up at least an hour and a half to 2 hours early. You don't want to show up at the last minute because you don't know exactly what's going to be at the venue. So you don't want to be in a rush and not be set up when guests start to come in. And as we all know, true to form, that guests start to arrive, especially at the bar, early. So you want to get there early so you can be set up and ready to go. Okay, the next thing you need to do is take out your camera and take still photos of your work area. Better yet, after you take still photos, put your video camera on and take video of your entire area. And the reason why we're doing this, for one, it is insurance purposes. Just in case anything breaks, goes awry, was already broken, you have proof, right? You do not want to be stuck with something that you did not do. So this is just for insurance purposes and just to be safe. Now, I think that you should keep this footage for at least a month. At least a month, because if anything does go wrong, then they have 30 days to have notified you about it. That should be enough time. But make sure you're not just taking the videos and trashing them the next day, because people can come out the woodworks 2 weeks, 3 weeks later. So make sure you keep the videos and the photos for at least a month and put them in a special folder. Next, you need to take stock of what's already provided for you as a bartender. Now, and that would include the liquor, because you know we do not purchase the liquor or bring the liquor. So you need to take stock of all the liquor. So you need to keep your little hand pad, or if you want to put it in your phone notes, that's cool too. But take inventory of each spirit that's there. How many vodkas, how many liters, everything, okay? And then you want to take stock if there are any mixers there, you take stock of that. Any plastics, napkins, straws, cups, you want to take stock of that to see how much you're starting out with. You also want to check for trash cans. Now, I advise that you bring your own disposable trash cans, just to be on the safe side. But depending on what venue you are at, they'll have trash cans. If they don't have one provided for you, then you need to take note of where they are, just in case, okay? You need to take note of the bathroom. If they have a closet with mops and all that stuff, you need to take note of that, just in case you have a spill. You also need to look for ice stations. If they're providing the ice, that's one thing. If you're providing the ice, that's another thing. Make sure you have your coolers. But take stock, because a lot of times they'll have ice machines at some of these venues. So take stock of the ice machine, find out where it is, find out if it's working, find out if it has an ice bucket. And I did say bathrooms, right? Take stock of the bathrooms. Also, even if you're hired for bartender only, I want you guys to get into the habit of bringing extras. Bringing extras, such as plastics, buckets to hold beer in, buckets to hold more ice in, coolers. I want you guys to get used to this, bringing basic mixers, and that would be your grenadine, your lime juice, some salt, whatever you consider to be basic in your mixer package. Then you need to have that on standby. You can have it in your car, but have it on standby. And then I also, like I said, plastics, which is cups, straws, napkins, just in case they run out. Now, you can add more out of a courtesy, or you can charge for that. So you can let them know, like if they ran out, that they can purchase a pack from you. So make sure you have these things, and of course to bring your bar tools. A lot of people do not think to bring bar keys, which opens beer bottles, and they don't really think to bring wine openers. Bring those. Even if they're having a wine bar, a lot of clients neglect to have wine openers. And if they do, they have the really cheap ones and they're flimsy, they're hard to work with. So make sure you bring all of your bar tools. You do not want to be stuck out at all, because at the end of the day, that's really a reflection on you. Like, it may be their job to bring wine openers at a wine bar, or if they're just having wine and beer, you would think, okay, well, they should have the beer openers and the wine openers. But as the bartender, you should already have those things. Oh, and the biggest thing you do not want to forget, a lot of people forget this, I don't know why, singles. Bring singles. These days, most people will want to pay you through Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, all those, really digital quick things. But some people are still old fashioned, and depending on what type of party you're having, some people just got good old money, cash money. So make sure that you have singles, lots of ones, lots of fives. All right, guys, so especially if you want to get tipped, okay? You don't want nobody pulling down saying, all I got is a 20. And make sure you bring some change for some 20s too, just for the 100. They have $100 bills. You don't want somebody saying, oh, all I have is 100. All I have is 20. I would tip you if I get some change. You have change. Out of everything I said here, do not forget to bring your singles. All right, guys, if you found this video helpful, please give me a like, thumbs up, hit the notification bell for when I put out more videos. And if you have not already, subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Looking for a supportive community with like-minded business owners? Join the Bartender Society. Become a monthly or a lifetime member. Our community supports aspiring and current mobile bartenders looking to build a successful business. We offer startup tools for newbies, business resources and tools for current and growing mobile bartenders, a complete library of old and new business trainings, real-time support, group coaching, weekly Q&A sessions, monthly content calendars, marketing strategy classes, discounts on all one-on-one coaching and mentorships, mixology classes and original drink recipes, contracts, proposals, and email templates, workflows, and automations, plus tons more. Click the link in my description to learn more.